power increase, are you mental? I'm acting!
Lovely carbonation.
Who told you to be there?
That's the key to his heart.
Dude, I'm pushing this one. It's quite a beast.
No, that should be alright. Enough keys. Keys for days. I think that one, that's the key to his heart. See, it's a little bit worn. They say DMO on them, so he doesn't forget. They're definitely his. Oh, handbrake's on to prevent roll away. Many keys. See, that's the blue one, and the purple one. That's very brown.
Rusty key.
This is handcrafted by, I don't know how to say his name. I don't know if the badge was handcrafted or the car. But
Might just be the badge.
bit of carbon. Let's remove it. Carboni. It's very hot. I'm gonna have to let it cool because that's gonna burn my little fingies.
Here he is, the man himself.
Whoa! Yeah, the exhaust. We're gonna go for full. We're going for downpipes all the way back to the back box because we still want to maintain the valves. Like you saw on the RS6, it was crazy loud. Then we put the back box back on there, got the valves so I can put in comfort and it'll be quiet. And then, yeah, we're also going to be putting carbon everywhere on the back, side skirts, front splitter, back of the seats, wind mirrors, and we're going all out. This is just phase one of the build, and yeah, we'll see what goes on from there. Who knows? So these are the cats here. Why? Who told you to be there?
Mad, isn't it?
From stock? Who are you deceiving? Who are you trying to restrict? Not us.
Well, they're trying.
Pretty much straight through though from stock, innit?
Yeah, it is, yeah. That's why I just need the down pipes, really.
Balance pipe. Remember we did this on our R&M?
You need to keep that.
That
Because
thing?
it's electronic.
Oh, is it? Okay, yeah, so we're going to go from here, yeah? Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah,
Did you do the same thing on this one?
It'll sound exactly the same to me.
Yeah, sick. I ain't even heard it, but it sounds sick on the pictures.
What I've noticed with this has got, like, I haven't noticed even on mists, when you put your foot down, you've got an induction noise that isn't apparent on any of the others. Oh, is that what that is? Yeah. Yeah.
Sick, bro. Okay. So this must stay on here then.
Yeah, stay on.
Yeah. So these we've just got to put some sticky right to the edge. But bang. Sticky Vicky, yeah? That's a sticky Vicky shit on there. Boom.
Yeah.
Just to make sure the surface that it's actually going to stick to on the car is clean. As long as it's nice and clean, we use some like thinners or some brake cleaner to make the surface nice and clean, which is like an alcohol based cleaner. Whatever you do, do not polish the area because then the adhesives in this glue won't really stick well. Just a little bit in the edges, you know, you just got to get in the edges and the cracks. And that's what you need to do, bro.
for the downpipes, just got to weld them all together and then make the little link pipes to get it to the original system, and I've got to put lambda bungs in so it can...
Happy days then.
Yeah, get in there, close.
Sounds nuts. That's what I'm fucking talking about. I'm active!
So, do you want to go and potentially lose your life in a passenger seat when it goes out?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
He's happy.
Happy ain't the word, mate.
Happy.
I'm off.
You what, sorry?
I'm off.
How long you had this?
A week, mate. Less than a week, actually. Actually, what day is it today? A week tomorrow?
Oh, so you've had it since Tuesday?
Since Tuesday. We've got to give it in. Woohoo! Fucking no, we've got to give it. Fucking hell! Yo! This is moving, mate. Shit. This is what I'm fucking talking about, mate. Fucking yeah. Fucking hell. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fucking hell. Yo!
So can you definitely feel the power increase?
Power increase, are you mental? Bruv, this is what I'm trying to fucking, that's exactly what I'm trying to say. Fucking no. Bruv. Fucking no. This is what I'm trying to say. This is exactly why you go to DEEJAY. Nothing more, nothing. Fucking no. This is fucking. I can feel it. Bruv. Shit. This is, oh god. Woohoo! Yeah. Fucking no. This is how the fucking car should be. Jeez. Bruv. Bruh. Fucking no. Yeah, this is fucking insane.